In this video I will be showing you how to replace the battery for your memory. If you start experiencing issues like maybe the language changes on your control panel, or the machine's indicating that you have a different amount of needles besides 15. Remember, this is videos for the Butterfly 1501. Or you start losing designs, or just, starts acting a little wacky, more than likely the battery is down and you will have to replace it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that right here. You have two Phillips head screws on the back right side of your machine. You have one on top and you have one on the right. So we'll go ahead and remove those with a Phillips head screwdriver. Then you will just lift the cover, pull it off. Then we're going to go ahead and remove these 4 screws from the silver plate. Just keep in mind that on the back right here and on the front side right here you'll have some ground. So just make sure that when you put the cover back on that you put these the way they go. So we'll go ahead and remove those. Just be careful and make sure you don't lose any of your screws. Then we'll just remove this cover, put it aside, and then you will see on the back side of the board, underneath the cables, you will see the battery. And there is a little clip on this side right here. All you have to do is press back on it, and the battery should pop right out. Just like that. Just get the battery and replace it. And that's all you have to do to replace the battery on the back side, right side of the machine for any memory issues that you're having. Thank you for watching.